Are you an IT undergraduate looking for a 6 months industrial training program? I know there are many technologies available in the market and you may be confused which one to choose. Well, I can help you to make this decision of selecting one technology. So the question is, why should you listen to me? Well, my name is Simranjit Singh and I have more than 12 years of experience developing applications and web solutions, as well as teaching different programming languages. I'm a senior trainer at NIIT Amritsar. NIIT is famous for providing IT and finance education. NIIT pioneered IT education in India. In 6 months industrial training program, you have two options. One is to go for application and web development, and second is networking. First, if we talk about application and web development, then there are different programming languages available like PHP, Java and Python. PHP is specifically used for developing dynamic web applications. It is considered as one of the easiest and flexible scripting language. Another language is Java. Java is king of programming languages. From mobile application to enterprise application, Java is everywhere. At NIIT, we teach Java in two forms. One is Core Java, where we help you to create desktop application, and second is Advanced Java, where we teach you how to design and develop web applications. At last, I will talk about Python. Python is most famous and fastest growing language. It is giving tough competition to Java. Companies like Facebook, Google, and Netflix use Python extensively for their platform development and infrastructure management. At NIIT, we teach Python with Django framework. Django is a high-level web framework that helps you to create production-ready web applications. Another interesting track is networking. At NIIT, we teach two modules of 6 months industrial training program under networking track. The first one is CompTIA N+. CompTIA N+ prepares you for entry-level jobs in networking like IT support help desk, network support technician. The another module is CCNA. CCNA is an advanced module and it helps you to prepare for jobs like network support engineer, network technicians. Rest be sure you choose any track at NIIT for your industrial training requirement. NIIT will make sure you get live project development, high-tech infrastructure support, mentorship of expert trainers, project report compilation support, and most importantly, an industry-recognized training. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact us at any of our branch. You can also fill the attached inquiry form and we will get back to you as soon as possible. From Team NIIT Amritsar, I want to wish all of you best of luck for your 6-month industrial training program. Thank you.